Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making quick, high-impact checks so you don't waste time. Inspect the cable ends and the phone port for lint or bent pins. Compressed air or a toothpick carefully removes debris. Once done, swap in the original or a known good charger and adapter to isolate the cable. Reboot your phone to clear software glitches and watch the battery icon and charging LED. This tells you whether power negotiation begins and whether the issue is hardware versus software. Now you dive into deeper diagnostics to separate software from hardware faults. Try a different wall outlet, a PC USB port, and a different wattage adapter to see if voltage/current differences matter. This reveals charger negotiation issues. Boot into safe mode and observe charging to rule out rogue apps that drain power. Next, check battery health in settings or run the OEM diagnostic. If reports show rapid discharge or swollen cells, you finish by applying targeted fixes based on your findings. If the cable or adapter failed tests, replace them. If the port is dirty or damaged, clean carefully or arrange a port repair. If diagnostics pointed to software, update the OS, clear cache partition, and only do a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. Make sure to back up first. If charging still fails, seek authorized service. Battery replacement or a port repair is often the permanent solution and preserves device safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.